शेनवार आणि आयतार असे 2 दीस उत्तर गोय केरळ समाजाच्या लोकांनी दिवचले बर्थडे ह्या महामाया सभाघरांत ओणम उत्सव मनयलो। ह्या कार्यावळीक भौशीक बांदकाम मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकर आणि दिवचलेचे आमदार नरेश सावळ हाजीर आसले। आरडीएस खोतीर दिवचलेच्यान यशवंत परब।
In 1961 Goa got liberated, and I am proud that to build Goa, the one community helped us, and that is Kerala. That is very important. Many youngsters do not know. That is the reason I am quoting this. There were no schools, high schools to study. There were no teachers to teach us. Let us be very frank. And at this moment, our first Chief Minister, Babasaheb Banodkar, MGP, I am from the same party. Many might be not knowing. Had a contact with the Chief Minister of Kerala and had an agreement with the Kerala government and asked that please send us good teachers to teach the students of the Goa. Open new high school, brought English teachers, maths teachers, physics teachers, chemistry teachers, and also botany, biology teachers. And because of that, a person like me is standing today in front of you and giving some of the, which is very important in the life of Goa. We have brought maximum engineers from Kerala. That is the reason I say that it is Kerala people who got a main part of building Goa that time. And I also congratulate all of you because we consider as a part of Goa, you as a part of Goa. आणि त्या खातीरूच आज म्हाका खूब आनंद जाता हे जेन्ना ओणम सेलिब्रेशन आसता. इज अ ट्रेडिशनल सण.
We are proud that we are in very friendly terms with all other like-minded associations in Goa. Pookalam is one of the major attractions of Onam. We are conducting Pookalam competition every year, and this year, due to the heavy rain, some of our participants from the distant areas like Badkoi, Pernan, etc. could not reach in time, and therefore the number of Pookalams in this year are considerably less.